Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I am bringing you another Sunday soft beat. I think that's what I called it, soft beat Sunday, something like that. Yeah, but I'm giving you this like really pinkish peaches. It's real cute and girly. It's like a Sunday brunch type of thing. That's what it is. Yeah, I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I didn't know I just wanted to do something kind of pinkish a little bit since I never actually do that color a whole lot. But yeah, I like the way it turned out, so this is real cute and simple. Okay. And if you want to see I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the comments, like, share. If you want to see anything else, then go in the description box. And yeah, that's basically it. All my social media is also in the description box. And yeah, that's about it. And we're going to get into this look. Okay, so I am going to the Killa Cosmetics Fun in Paradise palette. And I am going to take that pink right there. Right, and it's basically going to be our first shade. Like, this look is about to be very quick and simple and cute, and that's the whole purpose of, you know, soft beat Sunday. Okay, and then I already primed my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C8. Okay, next we're going to go into the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going to take the orangish brown color, and then I'm going to take the actual brown. Okay, and then I'm going in with the Ink Light 94, and I'm going to place it halfway on my lid. Okay, and next I'm just gonna take some pigments. One is gold and the other one is like purple. But they are iridescent, so you can see them, but then you really can't see them.
Got the keys to my hood. Mama said she good, doing what I should. I got the world on my back, city on the map, no time to kick back. Stop giving a damn about when they tell me how I won't make it out. I already won. Took the road less traveled, and yeah, I'm tired, but I'm so far from the ending. Every day I'm evolving, the world keep turning, and God keep giving up. Goddamn fucking handout, unless I got my hands out, then I still stand out. Damn, yeah, I make demands now, bet I got plans now, and I'm still gracious in the way I move, and I treat it like I wanted to, and I never got too comfortable. Always, always. And I'm thankful that I found my groove, and I'm humble, but I got the juice, and I remain unstoppable. Always. I got the keys to my hood. Mama said she good, doing what I should. I got the world on my back, city on the map, no time to kick back. Stop giving a damn about when they tell me how I won't make it out. I already won. I'm nominated for a Grammy, AMAs, and BET Awards. Man, what an honor, never dreamed I'd do all this before. But you can't put a word up on my art. That's my story, that's my heart, that's my soul. Fuck the fame, keep the glory. Cause I made it out a city that ain't pretty, and it's tricky when you wanna show me love because it's trendy. Shit be iffy. If you love me when I'm up, it's cause you see me when I'm down, and only God can hand rewards or even give someone a crown. Because the critics bleed like I bleed, they eat like I eat. I don't put you above me cause you gotta judge how I sing, get to judge how I speak, even judge how I breathe. Just 10 years ago, yeah, you were sitting right in my seat, starving hungry like me, so empathize beside me, understand I'm highly favored. Fuck your favors, yeah, I got